Today I'm going to be talking about some of the exercises from the initial exam, and the first exercise is Westminster Walk. This uses the familiar sounds of the Westminster chimes and demonstrates tone control passing from one hand to the other and through two dynamic levels. Here it is. So dynamic contrasts are very important in characterising this little exercise. A firm tone will give the forte body at the beginning, but do take care that there's no overlapping between the notes, a good clear sound. Taking care also when moving from the left hand to the right hand to ensure there's no overlapping in the legato. The pulse should be very steady, and particularly take care with the dotted minims, which have to be a full 3 counts. The ending should tail away quite gently with nicely placed quavers. Here's the final phrase. The second exercise I'm going to talk about is Caribbean Sunshine, and this one uses a calypso rhythm and needs careful coordination with the beat. So coordination with the beat is important to get the rhythmic character underway. Ensure that the repeated notes are very crisp and short, almost like staccato, followed by a more legato phrase through the F, G, E and D. And the left hand then chirps in with a little pattern of its own on the repeated G. So let's just listen to the first 2 bars there. So very, very active work with the finger on the repeated notes. And then increase the dynamic at bar 3 so the final phrase is a louder tone, and do enjoy playing the accent at the end, which should have a little explosion. And the final exercise of the initial exam is Viennese Waltz, and this is a gentle lilting waltz style, and it covers 2 areas of technique. The first half is very much to do with legato playing and control of all the fingers as you descend through the phrase, and the final part of the exercise has sustained notes in the right hand and nice steady staccato chords in the left hand, which give the sense of the waltz rhythm. Here it is. So similar to the previous exercises that require good legato technique, ensure that when playing legato, it's a lovely feeling of exchange from note to note, so there are no overlaps, and a very, very good quality of tone being matched up from note to note, crotchet, minim, whatever it is. In the left hand part, there'll be a nice flow as you move from the 2-beat note to the 1-beat. And that gives also the sense of lilt within the rhythm. The final phrase, sustained notes in the right hand, and quite short left hand chords. Use the 3rd and thumb for both of those chords, so your hand is moving up in the same position. And make the left hand chords a little bit quieter so that you have a sense of balance between the parts. So right hand, left hand. And keeping the fingertips very firm so that both notes come out, they sound exactly at the same time. So each exercise has its own musical character, and I hope you enjoy learning them and performing them.